Hey there, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Clarisonic Alpha Fit Sonic Cleansing System Kit. If you've been on the lookout for something to take your shaving routine to the next level, this might be the tool you've been waiting for. It promises to cleanse and prep your skin for a closer, smoother shave. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Clarisonic Alpha Fit Sonic Cleansing System Kit is specifically designed for men's grooming needs. It features a waterproof sonic facial brush that's built to remove oil, dirt, and sweat, 6 times better than using just your hands. The kit includes the Alpha Fit device, a USB charger, a men's daily cleanse brush head, and a 1-ounce bottle of Alpha Cleanse facial cleanser. The device has 2 settings, a 60-second daily clean and an 80-second power clean for a deeper cleanse. The idea behind this device is to deeply clean beards without tugging, which should make shaving a lot more comfortable and precise. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I tried this out as part of my husband's grooming routine. He has a thick beard, so I was especially curious to see how it would handle all that facial hair. The Alpha Fit is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in the hand, and it's lightweight, making it easy to maneuver during use. The 2 settings are simple to switch between, and the 60-second daily clean is perfect for a quick refresh, while the 80-second power clean works wonders after a long day, really helping to clear out any leftover dirt or grime. When we used it, the brush felt gentle on the skin, despite the deep clean it's supposed to provide. The bristles of the brush head weren't harsh or scratchy, but you could definitely feel the vibration working to cleanse beneath the surface. After using it, my husband mentioned his skin felt smoother, and he could immediately feel that his beard hair was softer, much easier to shave. It didn't tug on his beard at all, which is a huge bonus for those with thicker facial hair. Now onto the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's waterproof, which makes it perfect for shower use. The 2 speed settings are definitely a nice touch. Whether you want a quick refresh or a more thorough clean, it has you covered. The fact that it's gentle on the skin while still providing a deep clean is a big win, especially for those with sensitive skin. The design is sleek and modern, which is always a plus in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. On the downside, it's important to note that the charger is USB enabled, which could be a slight inconvenience for some people who may prefer a more traditional plug-in. Also, the brush head, while effective, isn't necessarily the most suited for a super close shave. It's great for prep work, but if you're looking for something that can handle actual shaving, you may need a dedicated razor alongside it. As for value for money, this product definitely feels like it's in the higher price range for cleansing devices, but it brings real quality. The brush's ability to deep clean without causing irritation makes it a good investment if you're looking for a better shave and healthier skin. The combination of the cleanser and the brush head provides added value, though I'd still be cautious about the cost if you're only looking for a simple brush and not the full system. When it comes to alternatives, there are other sonic cleansing brushes out there at a lower price point, but none of them seem to have the same focus on beard care that the Clarisonic Alpha Fit does. If you're looking for something that's particularly targeted for a comfortable shave and beard care, this product holds a strong position in the market. However, if you're on a budget, a less expensive brush with similar features might still do the job, but you'll probably miss out on the unique features Clarisonic offers. In terms of build quality, it feels solid with durable materials that should withstand regular use. The waterproof feature is definitely a plus for convenience, allowing you to take it into the shower without worrying about damage. As for longevity, the brush head is replaceable, so while the device itself should last a long time, you'll need to consider replacing the brush head every few months for optimal performance. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer support for this product, but Clarisonic has a good reputation for customer service, so I imagine any issues would be handled promptly. To wrap things up, the Clarisonic Alpha Fit Sonic Cleansing System Kit is a solid choice for men looking to step up their skincare routine before shaving. It's gentle yet effective and does a great job prepping your face for a smooth shave. However, it's not exactly cheap, so whether it's worth the investment, depends on how committed you are to achieving a truly smooth shave and maintaining your skin's health. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used the Clarisonic Alpha Fit or have your own thoughts on grooming devices, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think.